Today, we're introducing you to an audio cable specifically designed for high-end audio systems. The 6.35mm male to Dual RCA male audio cable. One end of this cable has a 6.35mm male connector, which is perfect for many professional audio devices, like mixing consoles and amplifiers. The other end splits into two RCA male connectors, commonly used for connecting audio inputs from speakers, TVs, and other devices. The 6.35mm to Dual RCA male audio cable is a stellar addition to your audio connections. With its excellent sound quality, durability, and broad compatibility, it's a must-have for music lovers and professional audio workers alike.
I ain't even gonna lie, don't let me down. I've been throwing these hundreds on the dime.